this a video or a picture?
It's a picture. Oh, wait, Paris, can you come on this side? Ready? And cheese. Got it. Cheese. Okay, ready? Cheese. Got it. Okay.
Today we're going to Great Wolf Lodge. And for my birthday. And then y'all, guess what I got for my birthday? A cup with my name on it.
We're on the way to Great Wolf Lodge, everybody.
Yay!
And it is gonna take us an hour and 30 minutes to get there. Sorry. Good, how are you? And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. This is our second year going to Great Wolf Lodge. It's always a great investment, especially if you want to celebrate a birthday. We 10 out of 10 recommend doing that.
If it's your birthday, you get a free donut, but you have to have, you can't lie, because if they have to check your wristband, because if it's not wet and sparkly, you can't get one for free.
Oh, a car's coming. So yeah, we're getting ready to go to Great Wolf Lodge. And it's going to be a fabulous, exciting, and fun time with the girlies. And how long have y'all been friends?
2 years.
For 2 years. Almost 3, because both of y'all are going to be 7 very shortly.
I'm already 7.
You are 7.
My birthday was
Tuesday. Wednesday.
No, my birthday's gonna be January. It's only in.
It's in more than 2 months. Because it's only October. But yeah, we will see y'all in Charlotte.
I didn't know the.
Okay, on 3, everybody say Great Wolf Lodge. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Mama got that buttercrust cake. Mama got that buttercrust cake. Y'all don't know that?
I don't know that.
Y'all ain't never seen that?
I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm very excited. They told me to wear my TikTok hat, so that's why I got this on today.
Can we do a TikTok or we can
I don't really be doing TikToks, honestly. I do have TikTok, but I don't be up there doing dances. I'm a YouTube girly now.
I know we have a channel.
And they can put pit stop.
Nilah, are you excited?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to the most? Bowling? You didn't even like bowling last year. Oh, you did? Okay. I'm sorry. Paris, are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. What are you looking forward to the most?
Swimming.
Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Cute. sure do smell good in here. It smells like strawberries. Oh, Jesus.
See? I know how to open this power.
A pull-out bed. Last year we didn't have 2 beds.
Oh, so you just let them sleep on that?
Right. But they can sleep on the bed tonight.
No. I can see the view.
Oh, we right next to the apartments this time.
To the apartments.
They look nice.
Are you trying to get outside?
Very nice, Great Wolf Lodge. Sure. Oh no, I think the treasure chest doesn't open.
It's a bit cold in here.
It is cold in here.
Colder when we come out the pool.
Hey Nilah.
I drink coffee.
You drank coffee.
Yes, I do.
Where you got coffee from?
One time we went to a car station.
Mm-hmm.
My mom let me have coffee.
She did.
Yes.
What did it taste like?
It tastes good.
Your hair is cute, Paris.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got some pink braids.
You got pink braids.
In the back.
Y'all both have braids. They look very nice.
And we both have the little curlies.
Little curl. Oh wow, I didn't notice that. So y'all both have black braids with curls at the
We're
end.
wearing the same bathing suit and the same top thing.
Oh, can we see your bathing suit?
Yeah.
Cute. It's mermaid scales on it.
And then Mom got the same.
Well, it's not. I don't have on a mermaid bathing suit, but it is
It is the same color.
same colors.
They're matching.
Right, we are. What were you gonna tell us, Paris?
Oh my god. Oh, so I was gonna tell you that we are at the top floor and we have the best view of all. I mean, we're right next to apartment.
We are.
To
Can
the
we?
apartments.
Let's go see them.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Wow. This is a beautiful view.
Alright, guys, so right now we're at the Great Wolf Lodge and we're at the top view. And yes, I do have pink braids. And yes, I am sensitive. Me and my sister are looking at the view. Look, we're at the apartments. We're by the apartments, actually. See? Top view, guys. And look at our room. This is our whole room. Yeah, we're about to come in. So, it's a bit messy over here. It's alright. We got little treasure chest. We got some nice bags. A birthday thing that says love. And we have that kind of wolf lamp. A new big screen TV. These 2 perfectly white beds. Some, I don't know what that is, but one of them was a wolf. A reindeer and a wolf. And then we have that cute chandelier thing. Then the sink and the bathroom and those. Oh, it doesn't come with candy. Let me see. We don't need candy, girl. I love these.
Y'all want the? That's actually for me.
Yeah, can we eat?
Y'all want to eat the candy?
Yeah. So, guys, we got these unicorn thingies. And we're about to sit on the couch and munch on them for a second. So we'll be right back once we finish. Bye.
our parent duty, y'all. Oh, I'm tired. So tired. Ready to get up out of this water park and go trick or treat. She's coming next, right? Okay. Wait, she's on the green one? F is for fire that burns down the whole town. Use for uranium. N is for no, sir. No survivor. Win you. Okay, I'm taking a picture. Ready? Cheese. Got it. Cute. Oh, well, what's going on? What happened to you, Nilah?
You walking too fast.
Okay. Yes. Come on, Nilah. Paris want to take a picture in front of this. What is this? A sun? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Okay, that's this one.
Okay. Nilah.
Where you even going at?
Come back. Okay, ready?
Have a magic wand.
Wait, get. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nilah, the camera is over here. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go home. That's an hour and 3 minutes away, ain't it?
It's 30.
Oh, it's an hour and 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. An hour and 30 minutes. Okay, let's let these people go first. Okay, ready? Oh, let's let her go first. No, you're okay. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Cute. I don't know, but it's breathing real loud. Oh, it's a man. It's a person up in there. It is. I don't like the way he breathing. I do not breathe like that. No, I don't. Tell another lie. Tell another lie. I do not breathe like that. That's a lie.
This our room. No, it's not.
This is not our room. Does anybody remember what our room number is?
4030.
Correct. I just want them to turn the heat up. That's all I want.
I want to take a hot shower.
So do I. So I can get out of this wet bathing suit. 1, 2, 3. Got it. You know it would be so bad if this thing broke and I just fell off.
No, you're too close to the road.
I'm too close?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Okay, there.
Y'all want to take another picture? Y'all look real cute in the sun or whatever. You want to take your towel off, Paris? Or you don't want to take because you don't have no shorts on. Okay, ready? 1. Oh. 1. What you doing, Nilah? Right. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Can y'all stop running, please? Okay, press the... Oh. No, we're going to go on with them, boo-boo. Come on. Thank you.
Changing. Ooh, yeah. Summer's gone, but we're still dancing. Ooh yeah, ooh, yeah. Sweater weather, chill together. Pumpkin spice on every corner. Ooh yeah. Bonfire nights, starry lights. Hey, hey. Crunching leaves, moon so bright. Come on, cozy blanket.
This is cool. No, they did not.
Everybody gets candy. Everyone gets candy. Look at this bouncy, my love. And you get candy. Everyone gets candy. You want some candy? I give you candy as
Thank
well.
you. Come on. That's cool.
Golden days, crisp air sways. Yeah, yeah. Football games, lazy Sundays. You know, hot chocolate, warm hugs too. We're together, just me and you. Fall vibes, feel it in the air. Fall vibes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Cute. Got it. Yes, ma'am.
I get one of my little.
Go ahead. You can get whatever you want. Sure. You can eat it. Y'all still want to go to the gift shop? Okay. Let me see. It looks cute, babe. That's yours now? Okay. Wait. Now? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Babe, why are you gonna do it that way? Do it. No, do it. Okay. Woo! Okay, blow out your candles, make a wish. Wish for something good. Yay! Woo!
The candles melted.
I don't know.
Yeah.
The skeleton was staring at you. Oh Lord, maybe he liked your pajamas. It moved. I like all those bubbles. Who got the bubble machine?
The very most important rule. Everybody say, rule number 4. Rule number 4 is, have fun! What was rule number 4? All right, and we can start limboing once the music starts.
Put the things back on, girl. What are you doing? You gotta put it back on. Oh my gosh. What in the world? She put it back on. Oh my God. Did you got all those tickets, girl? Did you hit the jackpot? What? It was because y'all was working together. Look at all those tickets. What in the world? Wow. virtual reality. That's what they're about to do. I don't know what it's called. What is this game called? I don't know. Is Nilah, are you gonna get off of it again?
No.
Okay. We are in the arcade. I said we are in the arcade, letting them spend their money. Ma'am, I think these are hers. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, Nilah. Keep it on, please. Don't be jumping off of there. Look at my husband, y'all. Father of the year. Okay.
The lights are flashing bright, we're ready for the show. Just up to the nines and we got that party glow. At the club.
First time she hopped up off the
DJ spinning tracks and we're moving to the beat. The bass is thumping loud, feeling it beneath our feet. Dancing round in circles, we got nothing left to lose. Together we're unstoppable, let's break out all the rules. Oh, it's a girls' night out, we'll scream and shout, no doubt. We light up the whole town, we're gonna party now. Under neon lights, we're kings and queens of fun. Living for the moment till we see the rising sun. No worries on our minds, we're just here to celebrate. We're singing loud together, gonna set the record straight. We're singing loud together, gonna set the record straight. DJ spinning tracks and we're moving to the beat. The bass is thumping loud, feeling it beneath our feet. Dancing around in circles, we got nothing left to lose. Together we're unstoppable, let's break out all the rules. Oh, it's a girls' night out, we'll scream and shout, no doubt. We light up the whole town, we're gonna party now. Under neon lights, we're kings and queens of fun. Living for the moment till we see the rising sun. No worries on our minds, we're just here to celebrate. We're singing loud together.
Hey guys, we're at Whitwell Flats sitting in front of a fireplace. We just got done with yoga. It was awesome. I could do them all with no hands. Even I could do a downward dog with just my head and feet.
How did you like yoga, Nilah?
Good. And when Paris Daddy's done after the shower, we're gonna go get donuts or the board. And I'm getting a free donut. And I think the rest of them are only $5, so that would be
$15. So we're just chilling, guys, in front of the fireplace. I think we're getting ready to go explore
and take more videos and pictures.
But I do like it in front of this fireplace because
yeah, it's
very hot, but very cozy.
That's how we like it. We love hot.
So we are just walking around the arcade. The girls said that they wanted to explore, get some more content for YouTube. So I took them up on that offer. So I'm just chilling, walking around, letting them get their energy out because we have to check out the room at 11. And then we're taking them to the fair tonight. They don't know. But yeah, so Great Wolf Lodge is a great investment, guys. We did have a little situation with the room last night, but it's all good. They accommodated us. And it has been a great experience, and we'll definitely do that next year. So, 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. see. Master Magic. That's awesome. She's getting one too? Okay, I'm excited to see hers. And then I know he turned it on. You got one too, Nilah? Wow, let's take a picture of both of y'all in front of this with y'all certificates. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Cute. Okay, let's go get some donuts. Ignite the lights and let it shine. Y'all not gonna sing with me?
Okay.
Just
We gotta go. Come on.
Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst.
Goodbye.
We're not. Where do you want to go? It's a surprise.
Dave and Buster's.
Dave and Buster's. We're getting ready to, well, we already checked out. So, Great Wolf Lodge was so much fun.
No. I think we should go to the shop.
You think we should come downstairs? Okay.
Hey guys. Huh?
Okay, I'll pretend. What should we tell the camera?
So we're gonna go in the car. When we get to our supplies, we're gonna show you all around. So peace out. Let's go.
Peace out. Let's go. So turn it this way, and don't cover the camera. And tell me where to go.
Go.
Hey everybody, so we are getting ready to go bowling. We've already checked out of our room, and we had a great time at Great Wolf Lodge. So hopefully next year when we come back, we can get on the yellow slide first.
Yeah, and this is our third time.
This is our second time,
Second.
but next year will be our third time.
And then if we come, so now let's go bowling.
Oh, you want to go bowling? Who do you guys think is gonna win?
Me. I think I'm gonna win. So we'll
Grown-ups versus kids.
we'll see you guys when we're at the bowling alley. Bye.
Woohoo! I don't know why Paris she keep going. Oh really? Okay, well you get to go again. You get to go. Wait, what? Oh, is it my turn? Okay. We gonna lose. Oh, Nilah! How did you get that? I don't got no points. She got all of them. Y'all gonna win. So how does it feel to be a loser?
I'll be back.
Let's go.
He's a loser. Big loser.
He ain't gonna win. The girls gonna win.
Okay, so I'm
With bowling.
Yes.
And so far, let's see.
Tell them who's winning so far.
It's not going Nilah.
Let's see. The girls.
The girls are winning so far. But the truth is, I have the highest points right now. So let's take y'all to the scoreboard real quick. Okay, so so as you can see, this is my point. Okay, go ahead, boo boo.
I'm on my back.
So what that say? Key 84.
Nilah got
MJ.
56.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, recorded. Okay. Woo! Let's go, Paris. Ooh. Woohoo! Look at you, girl. You got a straight. Good job. Okay, but now I just gotta let them know who winning. Cause it's not you.
No, it's
Can I
not.
hold it? Can I hold it?
Yes, you can hold it, but I just need them to see 84, cause we bring it home. All right, so hold it like this. So I'm about to get a strike. Just watch.
Okay.
Almost a strike.
Don't do another ball.
All right, Nilah. But y'all see who winning for real. It's me. Woohoo! Yes, ma'am. All right, let's see what you finna do. Oh, it's Nilah's turn again. Let's go, Nilah. All right. Spare, high five. All right, babe. Why you got your ears around your neck?
Huh?
Say, why you got your ears around your neck?
Now I'm at 66.
Now you at 66. Okay. What was that? Okay. You getting nervous? I've seen better. I've seen better. Oh, Paris, it's your turn. Let's go, Paris. Let's go. Choo, choo. Let's go, Paris. Let's go. Woo! I'm about to. I'm taking it home. Just to let you know. Let's go, Paris. Let's go. It's not.
Just know I got 66.
Just know. Woo! All right. Can somebody hold the camera? Who wanna hold it? Here.
Nilah.
Wait, Nilah. Let Paris finish her donut. Thank you for visiting Great Wolf Lodge. We had a fun time. And we are excited to come back next year.
Can we see it on YouTube when we get back?
Oh, it's going to take me a while to get the video together.
Me and Paris can be in the living room.
It's going to take me more than one day. It's probably going to take a week. Because I got a lot of stuff that I got to edit. This was real fun, though.
That water looks tasty.
You think so? I am pretty thirsty. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate your experience, Nilah?
It was good.
On a scale from 1 to 10, so you have to pick a number.
10.
A 10? Okay. I'm not going to ask you, Paris, because you eat. Yes. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate your experience?
But y'all go finish.
Need a nap? Oh.
Y'all want us to take one of y'all?
Oh, that would be nice, actually. Okay, Paris is done eating her donut, and she wants me to ask her to rate her experience on a scale from 1 to 10. So how would you rate your experience, Paris?
I don't get it.
You don't get it? So you pick a number between 1 and 10. So 1 being, this was not a fun experience at all, and 10 being, this was the best experience ever.
A
1,000. Okay. I picked 50 because I was a little bit tired yesterday, but it was fun. All right, y'all.
I'm gonna make you get on that zip line.
Time to hit the road. My nails look kind of. Oh, now
I'm
they
gonna
look
make you
cute.
get
I like
on
that.
the
Look
zip
at that.
line next year.
Next year.